Welcome to Galaxy Log, a monthly video about observing galaxies that would be best seen in the upcoming month's dark window or near new moon. We will choose 3 galaxies for prime observation, with one each for smaller telescopes up to 5 inches, medium scopes 6 to 12, and large scopes over 12 inches. Galaxy observing can be the most challenging type of astronomical observing, but at the same time the most rewarding, which makes observing these grand islands of the universe the pinnacle of observational astronomy. As with many astronomical objects beyond our solar system, the darker the skies you observe in, the better. But you can still enjoy many galaxies from less than dark skies. In the video we will show an image of each galaxy and have its most common catalog number, constellation it resides, coordinates in right ascension and declination, magnitude, surface brightness, and size. We will discuss observing each galaxy and some tips to help you get the most from your telescope, eyepieces, sky conditions, and your eye. As with many things, galaxy observation can be subjective to each person, so what one person observes may not be seen by all. For there can be factors involved, such as quality of optics, sky conditions, and the individual eye. Galaxy observing can require some patience, skill, and yes, even practice. So let's head out to our first galaxy. Our first galaxy for this month, we travel to Camelopardalis and the unusual galaxy NGC 2146. NGC 2146 is an interesting galaxy that seems to be twisted a bit, probably from an interaction from a nearby galaxy. This galaxy can be more of a challenge for small scopes and less than dark skies. At my 4-inch f10 refractor from a good dark site, and using a 20mm wide-foot eyepiece, the galaxy was seen as an oval glow next to a grouping of 8th to 12th magnitude stars. Best view came with a 10mm ultra-wide eyepiece, where the galaxy showed as a teardrop shape, with a brighter elongated core area. Added observing note. Using my 22-inch f4.5 Dob on the same night, the galaxy showed much of the detail as seen in the image, with a bright stellar core and dark bands crossing the inner region. Also just northeast of NGC 2146 is NGC 2146A, a possible companion galaxy and instigator of the shape of NGC 2146. In the 22-inch, 2146A was seen as an elongated mottled glow with a small core. Our next galaxy or galaxies, we head to southern Taurus and the galaxy trio of NGC 1587, 1588, and 1589. From a good dark site, and using my 8-inch f9 refractor with an 18mm ultra-wide-foot eyepiece, the galaxy trio made for a nice view, with all 3 galaxies in the field of view. Using a 7mm ultra-wide-foot eyepiece, I first viewed the very elongated near edge on NGC 1589. Here the galaxy showed a bright core with the galaxy's extensions going northwest to southeast, with a 13th magnitude star just east of the core. The whole disk of the galaxy showed lots of modeling. Heading south to the pair of 1587 and 1588, with the 7mm eyepiece still in the large refractor, the pair showed a bit of contrast, with NGC 1587 far larger and brighter than its companion. Here 1587 showed as a high surface brightness galaxy that was fairly round with a very bright core. NGC 1588 was much smaller and fainter than its nearby companion, though it showed a tiny core with faint outer extensions going north to south, giving it a slightly oval shape. Our final galaxy or galaxies for this month, we head south to Lepus and the interacting pair NGC 1738 and 1739. With my 22-inch f4.5 Dob from a good dark site and a 20mm wide-foot eyepiece, the galaxy pair sits within a long triangle of field stars from 11th to 13th magnitude. With a 14mm wide-foot eyepiece, the pair resembled the butterfly galaxies in Virgo, but much smaller and fainter. Best views of NGC 1738 and 1739 with 7mm and 5.5mm ultra-wide field eyepieces. Here detail in each galaxy became much more apparent. The brighter barred spiral NGC 1738 showed us an oblong mottled disk going southwest to northeast, with the inner bar of the galaxy standing out well. With careful scrutiny, some very small patches on the outer part of the galaxy's disk were seen, particularly one just northwest of the core area. The galaxy overall kind of looks like a much smaller and fainter M66 in Leo. The fainter NGC 1739 is attached to 1738's southeast edge, giving the galaxies a butterfly look. The oval disk of 1739 goes pretty much west to east. With the 5.5mm ultra-wide field eyepiece, 1739 showed us an oblong glow with a slightly brighter roundish core. Overall, these two interacting galaxies make for a wonderful view in large telescopes and dark skies. Winter butterfly. Well, that's it for this month's Galaxy Log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing.
Galaxy Log is a production of Have a Stellar Birthday. We work with light, time, and people. Sponsored by 90mm Observatory. Backyard astronomy with small telescopes. Learn more at 90mm.org. Special thanks to the Chesmont Astronomical Society, dedicated to observational astronomy for more than 25 years. And to the music of Dave Luxton.